Hey everybody. So today I want to show you what to do if your garden hose has a crack spraying out water and it's old and frayed and needs to be replaced. You don't want to buy a new hose, so what do? You don't need to buy a new hose. You just go buy one of these hose menders. Very easy to replace. The old nozzle with a new nozzle. So what you're going to do is take a cutting method, which could be old serrated kitchen knife, razor blade, garden shear. I'll show you. If you decide to go with serrated, I'm going to put it on a flat surface and saw it. Okay. Turn it over. Kitchen knife, serrated edge. Okay. If you want to use a razor blade, what you do is you're not going to saw it. You're going to stick it in, press down, turn it, press again, turn it, press again, until you work your way all the way around. See? Just be careful. If you have a pruner, these sometimes don't have enough pressure. Some do, some don't. You have to press pretty hard. You don't want to mess up your pruner, but this one seems to be pretty strong. Get through it. But then that'll happen sometimes. This kind has a little more cutting torque power. So that you don't want to use the hedge trimmer. It just doesn't really work very well. Doesn't have enough. Well, I guess if you get down at the very bottom, it has more bite to it. You could do that. So then after you cut it off, you take your screwdriver, get these guys out. The new nozzle, just stick it in there. Work its way down, wiggle it in. There we go. All the way down flush. Take these guys, your clamp, all the way up to the top. Phillips. It's pretty easy to do. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a new hose. This is only like $6 for the hose mender clamp. Say hi, Yuri. Hi. There you go. Just tighten it in. Nice and tight. So there you go. Now it's ready to go. Let's give it a test run. See if there's any leaks here. There shouldn't be because it's nice and clamped in. There you go. Nice and easy fix for a broken hose. Like new. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.